Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some Cottagecore inspired home decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Cottagecore inspired home decoration is a cozy, romantic interior style that celebrates simple countryside living, nature, and nostalgia. It's like bringing the peaceful charm of a countryside cottage into your home, even if you live in a city. Here are some beautiful and practical tips to create a cozy Cottagecore inspired home decoration. Keep it simple and lived in. Avoid over decorating. Let your space feel natural and slightly imperfect. A little mess like books, yarn, or flowers adds life. Layer different textures. Mix lace, crochet, wool, and cotton. Layer rugs, cushions, and blankets. This creates a rich, soft, hues-like feeling in your room. Decorate windows beautifully. Use lace or shade curtains. Decorate windowsills with plants, books, or candles. Hang dried flowers for a dreamy vibe. Use open display storage. Keep items visible in a beautiful way. Use glass jars, baskets, wooden shelves. Display teacups, books, or spices like decor. Add books and storytelling corners. Stack old or vintage style books. Create a cozy reading nook with a chair and blanket. Books add a soft, intellectual charm. Use dried and seasonal decor. Rotate decor with seasons. Spring, fresh flowers. Autumn, dried leaves, wheat. Keeps your home feeling alive and changing. Add baskets and storage charm. Use open baskets for storage. Store yarn, blankets, or magazines. Create small moments in your space. Style tiny areas like tea corner, bedside table with candle and book. These little scents make your home feel magical. Embrace imperfection and vintage feel. Don't aim for perfection. Slightly faded, worn, or mismatched items are beautiful here. It should feel like a story, not a showroom. Add soft floral patterns everywhere. Use tiny floral prints on curtains, bedding, tablecloths. Stick to soft, faded patterns, not bold modern prints. Focus on fabric flow and movement. Use flowy fabrics like sheer curtains, bed canopies. Let fabrics move gently with air. It adds life. Mix old furniture styles. Don't match everything. Mix old tones, shapes, and styles. Slightly chipped or painted furniture work perfectly. Create a dreamy night atmosphere. Use candles, fairy lights, dim lamps. Keep lighting soft and golden. Make evenings feel calm and peaceful. Bring the outdoor life indoors. Add vines, hanging plants, or herb pots. Use nature-inspired decor like leaves, wood, stones. Make your home feel like a small garden. Style everyday items as decor. Turn normal items into decor. Bread in a basket, fruits in a bowl, wooden cutting boards. Add personal and emotional touches. Display handmade crafts, family items. Cottagecore is about feelings, memories, and warmth. Create a morning ritual corner. Set up a small space for tea or coffee, journaling or reading. Add a cup, a flower vase, and soft sunlight. This makes your home feel like a calm daily escape. Use scent to build atmosphere. Cottagecore isn't just visual, it's sensory. Use lavender or rose scents, scented candles or natural oils. A soft smell makes your home feel warm and nostalgic. Add wall decor with a story. Try botanical prints, pressed flowers in frames. Your walls should feel like a nature journal. Keep a soft mess aesthetic. Don't make everything perfect. A little mess, books, yarn, blankets is cozy life. It should look lived in, not stretched. Use curtains and fabrics creatively. Hang fabric as wall decor, bed canopy, room divider. This adds softness and romance. Add a touch of countryside life. Use elements like fruit baskets, garden style decor. It brings the feeling of a simple vintage life. Use soft edged finishes. Choose furniture with a slightly worn or edged look. Try DIY with chalk paint to create a vintage feel. Perfect shiny items don't fit. Soft imperfections do. Add hanging elements. Hang dried flowers, plants, herbs in the kitchen. This adds height and a natural flow to your space. Use wooden details everywhere. Add wood in small ways. Trees, frames, shelves. Wood instantly brings warmth and nature enters. Keep decor light and airy. Don't overcrowd your space. Leave breathing room between decor. Let sunlight and air flow freely. Hide modern items creatively. Hide things like wires, plastic items. Use baskets, fabric covers, or wooden boxes. Use warm, earthy accents. Add touches of warm browns, soft mustard, olive green. These colors ground the space. Create a mini indoor garden table. Use a small table for plants, flowers, gardening tools. Create a seasonal shelf. Dedicate a small shelf that you change every season. Add spring, fresh flowers, autumn, dried leaves. Keeps your home fresh and alive. Use natural light as main decor. Open windows during the day. Let sunlight highlight your decor. Decorate with simple glass items. Use glass jars, bottles, vases. They reflect light and feel clean and vintage. Add soft, light wall hangings. Dry fabric hangings, mat room. Keep them light and flowy, not heavy or bold. Use nature collected decor. Collect simple things like leaves, branches, pine cones. Turn them into free, meaningful decor. Use soft dividers instead of walls. Use curtains, open shelves. This keeps your space open and airy. Thanks for watching the video.